So I start playing left-handed, but I'm still leading with the right foot. But when it came to double bass drum, and you want to play 16ths, what do you lead with? The right or the left?
Right most of the time, yeah.
Well, actually, if you think about it, it's the hi-hat that's playing the downbeats, right? Right? So, to me, it was more natural to go, right? It was just, I tried it this way. Ooh, that's awkward. Isn't that weird? And the first session I ever did with double bass drum, the tune was like a 12/8, like a shuffle. Don't play it, actually. Yeah. So the original groove was something like this. Regular shuffle. But the bass part was really like this. So I thought, I didn't really want to play, which is what the original version was. And I thought, how can we make this a little more interesting? And I thought, ooh, 2 bass drums. So I was playing right-handed then. And I thought, if I did triplets on the bass drums, that might be really cool. So we did one run through and I was going, leading with the right. And then the next run through I went, I couldn't figure out which way to do it. And we were about to record. And I went, oh, fuck, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? You know, we started playing and it started on tom-toms. I thought, I'll just lead with the right. You know, so that's what I did, you know. So, because they were triplets, they went. Now, if I was to do that today, I'd probably lead with the left because I'm playing left-handed. I think. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow. But that's only because it's a triplet scenario. Straight 16th notes, to me, all I did was took my foot off the hi-hat. So it didn't feel that weird and the groove wasn't interfered with. Because one of the hardest things with double bass drums is to make it really accurate and really smooth. It must not interfere with the groove.